Okay, so good day everyone. For today's video or this video, we are going to discuss about multidimensional arrays and how we can use NumPy to create multidimensional arrays as well as access or retrieve its elements. Suppose we want to create an array with 3 rows and 3 columns. And in Python and NumPy, the elements will be indexed using the two subscripts of the row and the column, right? So in this example, as you can see, we have value 0, 1, 4, 7 for the first row, 2, 5, 8 for the second row, and 3, 6, 9 for the third row. And let's say we want to access this value 8. So we just take the intersection of the row and the column, okay, and represent this using this notation. Suppose the name of this matrix or this array is M, and enclosed in the square in the brackets are the subscripts of the row and the column. So this 1 refers to the row 1 because 8 is in row 1, and this second na subscript, it refers to the column na index, which is 2. So let us see how we can create that using NumPy. So similar to 1D arrays, we simply use NP na array, and enclosed in that is the 2D na array. Okay, so this is one way that we can initialize. So one row, and the first row or row 0, the row 1, as well as the row 2. Okay, separated by comma. And if we run this program, so this just gives us this this 2D array. Now, if we want to take the dimension of M, we simply use the ndim keyword, so m.ndim, so that gives us 2 because we have 2 dimensions. And to get the shape, which will give you the number of rows as well as the number of columns, we use the dot shape. And in order to get the number of elements, we use the size keyword. And in order for us to access the element on row 1 and column 2, we simply use the subscripts of the row and the column separated by comma. Now, what if we want to access the element on row 1 and column 2, which is this one? As you can see, returned an 8, and we want to replace it with 0. So we simply specify the position in the array and initialize it with the desired na value. So as you can see, after doing the replacement, this position from 8 is now 0. And as you can see it here. And what if we want to access only not a single na value, but the whole na row? Okay. What we can do is just omit the column and just specify the number of rows. Okay. And if you want to take the whole column on the other hand, we want to take this whole column 2, 709. So 709. So what we can do is just include a colon for the row, meaning we will get all the rows and comma and only the column 2. All rows and just the column 2. Okay. As you can see, it returns 709.